Worx WG284E is a lightweight and compact cordless hedge trimmer. It uses 2 PowerShare batteries for more power and longer runtime in larger gardens with tall hedges. This model has a long 60cm laser-cut dual-action blade, giving a precise cutting action but with reduced vibration. It has a 27mm cutting diameter, and that means you'll be cutting through 2.5cm thick branches with ease. There's a dual safety switch, which requires you to use both hands to power up, and this prevents accidental starting. A transparent handguard shields your hands as you work, and a soft grip handle allows you to position your hands as you need them, giving you easy and accurate trimming without tiring you out. There's a 180-degree rotating rear handle to get that exact trimming angle you want without twisting your arms. The 284E is a well-balanced, lightweight and ergonomic hedge trimmer with longer reach and more power for the larger garden. To assemble the hedge trimmer, take the front guard and position it so the smooth side is facing towards the rear handle. Slide it onto the mounting plate, making sure that the guard is firmly in position and properly seated on the mounting plate. Take 2 screws from the packet and position them through the holes in the front guard and into the sides of the trimmer. Tighten up with a screwdriver on both sides. Take the front handle and position it so that the side with the screw holes is facing towards the blade, and the smooth side is facing towards the rear handle. You're going to mount this handle onto the trimmer so that these 3 pins slide into these pinholes here. Position the handle over the trimmer and tilt it backwards slightly, dropping the handle downwards and backwards until the handle ends are just below the mounting points. Raise the handle upwards so the ends mount into place. Take the remaining 4 screws and place them into the ends of the handle, 2 on each side. Tighten these up with a screwdriver on both sides. Now take 2 fully charged PowerShare batteries and slide them into place, and you're ready to get trimming. To start the trimmer, pull upwards on the orange switch on the front handle and at the same time pull up on the orange power switch on the rear handle. You cannot start the trimmer without using both of these switches simultaneously, which will prevent you from an accidental start. The rear handle can be rotated by pulling upwards on the orange circular switch and turning the rear handle either 45 degrees or the full 90 degrees. Make sure the rear handle safely clicks into position before use. You can rotate the rear handle in both directions, to the left or right, giving you a full 180 degrees rotation and 5 handle stops to give you the most comfortable handling position while you work. As a general rule, start at the bottom of the hedge and cut upwards. Try to use a long sweeping motion of the blades. You'll also find that a slight tilt of the blade downwards in the direction of your movement will give you the best cutting results. Change your hold on the front handle to get your hands and arms into a comfortable cutting position. This will give you both more cutting accuracy and reduce the strain on your arms. Allow the blades to reach full speed before you start cutting, and if a branch is too thick and gets jammed in the blade, stop the trimmer immediately. To remove any jammed debris in the blades, first make sure that you release both switches on the trimmer before trying to remove the debris. We recommend that you use ear and eye protection whilst using the hedge trimmer, and for those thorny or prickly hedges, a pair of gardening gloves would be sensible too. WG284E has dual PowerShare batteries for more power, a long 60cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a dual safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model is a workhorse, ideal for medium to large size gardens. The WG281E is a cordless hedge trimmer with a 45cm blade and a 16mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This is a lightweight and well-balanced trimmer, ideal for smaller gardens. The WG284E is an ergonomic trimmer with with a 56cm blade and a 20mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This model is suitable for small to medium-sized gardens. The WG284E trimmer has a nitro brushless motor, a 57cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle. This is a powerful model with excellent runtime. The WG286E has a nitro brushless motor, a 61cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, a handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model has exceptional performance and is a powerhouse for the larger garden. The WG252E is a cordless pole trimmer. It has an adjustable extension pole, 10 adjustable head angles, a 180-degree rotating rear handle and a soft grip handle with a supporting shoulder strap. This is an ergonomic model to help you reach those tall hedges without the need for a ladder. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.